Hi guys, long time no see. From your comments, we realized that our robot should be easy to use, so I designed a GUI. It is as simple as using a smartphone app.
You can control individual axes by dragging these sliders, or directly drag the end effector in three-dimensional space. The end effector type can be selected here. Click Gripper, then a gripper is added. More end effector selections will support later. You can move the end effector by dragging mouse with right button down and rotate it with left button down. So you can control 6 degrees of freedom, just use a mouse. That is convenient. Axis 7 control the gripper and axis 6 control the rotation of end effector. All the motions of this graphic model can be synchronized to our hardwares. Our hardware motion can be also synchronized to software. Just click the hardware selection here. Now you can control the graphic model using the hardware. A useful feature is trajectory record. Just click Record button and begin recording. In the GUI, we can check the trajectory path and play the record. If you like this trajectory, you can save it by just click the Save button. Then it's saved on your computer. When you want to start another trajectory, click Delete button. Then click Record button or use keyboard shortcut to start recording. When you finish, click Record button again and it's done. You can load the previous trajectory that just saved a moment ago. Click Load button and find the record file on your disk. Click Open. Then the previous trajectory is back. Here is an interesting thing. You can show your record files to others, and they can reproduce your works thousands of miles away, because all our robots are consistent. There is another consideration. Trajectory record motions meticulously, so this is not perfect for motion planning and fluency. And for most tasks, we just need to record several poses. So a new feature here is pose record. By click Add button or press keyboard shortcut, you can add a pose. A small ball added here works as a marker. You can add as many poses as you want. When you put the cursor on top of a marker, you can preview its pose. Click Pose Selection here. The robot is moving from one pose to another in a sequence. Click the Delete button. You can delete one pose at a time. The interval among two poses is 1 second. If some poses need to stay longer, just add more poses at the same place. Let's add 3 poses here. Click Pose Selection. Now, it will stay there for 3 seconds. It's done. Just as trajectory function, you can reload previous poses or even creations from others. Connect your hardware. You can play it right now.
I will show some demos in next video. See ya.
7bot, personal robot on your desk.